In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to implement A+ content onto your Walmart store very quickly and for free. So all you have to do is go to Optawise.ai. So you can type it in Optawise.ai, and it's going to take you to this page. Once you're there, then you're going to click sign up in the top right-hand corner and sign up for free, no credit card required. Once you're logged in, you simply have to connect your Walmart account. So they are great. You just connect it, and then within about an hour, everything should be fully connected and synced. It will take about an hour. But once you're in, you'll see all of your products here, just like on my page. And you can see a product right here. What you're going to do is click on the product. So just click on it. Once you clicked on it, it's going to look something like this, and it's going to give you all of these recommendations, but we're just talking about A+ content. So you're going to click enhance brand content right here. Click on that. It's going to scroll all the way down. If you sell on Amazon and already have A+ content, right? This is an Amazon listing. We're scrolling down. It's already have A+ content. We're going to copy the ASIN, and then we're just going to post it here, and then we can just import it in. If you don't want to do that, you can always create the A+ content from scratch, but I love how you can just import it, and then you may have to connect to Amazon, but hey, I'm not going to do that. So I'm just going to say skip and crawl URL, and then it's going to take around, let's say 5 minutes. Let's wait for this to happen and see how long it takes for it to show up on Walmart. Now we're back, and you can see it did take around 6 minutes. It had a little stopwatch for it to actually get transferred over. And then we can scroll down, and in that section, now we've got the enhanced brand content or the A+ content. It copied it over pretty well, but you can also delete modules or edit it. This is just a really fast way to do it if you already have it on Amazon. Then you're simply going to click publish, and then see you can do, I'm just going to publish the enhanced brand content. And again, it's a free plan. You can only have, I guess, 5 for free, but that's still something to try out. And then you just click publish, and then we're going to see how long it takes. Right now it's saying it takes about 4 hours for it to show on Walmart. Let's see how long it actually takes. So it took about 15 minutes for it to actually show up on Walmart, and then here it is. It has about the brand right here, and it's almost an exact copy of the Amazon. They did a really good job, and it even has all these sections. So the transfer over was pretty darn good. So now our listing is that, and the video actually plays. So on premium A+ content on Amazon, if you have a video, it actually transfers over as well. Pretty awesome. It says updated by Optawise.ai right here. So there you have it, how to get A+ content extremely quickly and for free on your Walmart listings. And who knows, it might increase sales. We're going to be testing it, and we'll keep you posted. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. If you need help selling on Walmart, feel free to contact us in the link below. Schedule a call. We're here to help.